Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series has everyone buzzing, especially with rumors of a significant shift in Samsung's chipset strategy. With the Galaxy S25 launch just a few months away, there's growing excitement about what will power this next-generation flagship. Let's dive into the details and see what could be in store. Historically, Samsung has followed a dual chipset strategy for its flagship devices. This means that in some regions, Samsung's in-house Exynos chips have powered Galaxy devices, while in others, Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips have taken the lead. This approach has often sparked debates among users, particularly about performance differences between the two variants. However, if recent reports are to be believed, the Galaxy S25 series might break this tradition. Samsung is rumored to be planning to use Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset across all models in the Galaxy S25 series, including the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. This will mark a significant change from the Galaxy S24 series, where Samsung is expected to maintain its dual chipset strategy. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus are likely to feature the Exynos 2400 chip in most regions, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra sticks with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. So, what's behind this potential shift with the Galaxy S25 series? The key factor appears to be a renewed focus on performance. Reports suggest that Samsung is looking to ensure that its Galaxy S25 lineup is equipped with the best components available, likely to put to rest any doubts about the performance of its flagship devices. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is rumored to deliver more than a 30% improvement in AI and GPU performance, positioning it as a powerhouse in the smartphone industry. This change is especially significant with Apple's iPhone 16 on the horizon, which is expected to heavily emphasize AI performance powered by its A18 chip. Samsung clearly doesn't want to be left behind in the race for AI supremacy, and by exclusively using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, Samsung aims to ensure that the Galaxy S25 series can compete directly with Apple's latest offerings. AI is rapidly becoming the next frontier in the smartphone world, with Apple leading the charge and other companies like Huawei and Xiaomi also pushing AI-focused smartphones. Samsung is making a strategic move to stay ahead. The decision to rely solely on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 could be a deliberate strategy to solidify Samsung's place at the forefront of AI technology in smartphones. However, this potential shift raises questions about the future of Samsung's Exynos chips. For years, Exynos has been a core part of Samsung's strategy, helping to keep costs down and providing a backup option in case of supply chain issues. So if the Galaxy S25 doesn't feature the Exynos 2500, does this mean Samsung is abandoning its in-house chips? Not necessarily. While the Galaxy S25 might not include Exynos, that doesn't mean Samsung is giving up on its own chips. Reports indicate that Samsung's semiconductor division is still working hard to improve the performance and stability of the Exynos 2500. This chip could play a key role in other upcoming Samsung devices such as the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7, expected to launch later next year. Moreover, Samsung is making notable advancements in its semiconductor fabrication processes. The company's device solutions business has reportedly instructed its foundry division to enhance its 3-in and more advanced chip fabrication technologies to stay competitive. These efforts have already seen success, such as with the 3-in Exynos W1000 chip used in the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch Ultra. So what does all this mean for Samsung's overall strategy? By possibly moving away from Exynos in the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung seems to be prioritizing performance and user experience, ensuring that its flagship can compete more effectively with Apple and other rivals in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. What do you think about it? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates and tech news. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.